There's a lot more to Tahiti than just chopu. So many other activities that you can do, not just based around surfing.
It's so important for us to be able to take care of the reef and try our best to protect it as long as we can.
When we started the campaign, 20-something years ago, over a quarter century, and when we started, it was impossible. I mean, everybody, okay, my friends, my brother, would say, you're really gonna put your energy in this? Let's go surfing.
27 years later, he pulled it off.
I've never actually dreamed of being in the Olympic because surfing wasn't an Olympic sport.
I never thought surfing would be in the Olympic sports. Fernando is the reason why we're all there.
He single-handedly had the vision and pulled off the Olympics, which is a huge achievement.
Stop that. Stop that.
One of them's a tea, and we got chocolate and coffee as well. Do you want to go check out our coconut trees? I grew up with the world's best surfers, Andy and Bruce Irons, Keala Kennelly, Rochelle Ballard, and I surf pipe probably at most 15 times a year. And this is the breakfast I'm going to eat on the morning of the Vans Pipe Masters.
Stop that. Stop that.
Stalling on the takeoff with that arm bar through the wall of the wave. He'll let go for the completion.
William Panda Cardoso took the long road to the championship tour. It's his persistence that paid off.
E ter que correr atrás do meu sonho sozinho, e foi aonde que a minha família entrou para me ajudar. Então é algo que me encanta, saber que eu vou ter essas condições para surfar com ondas boas com grandes atletas. Minha meta agora é essa, entrar e permanecer uns bons anos dentro da elite.
Música